Okay, these three problems are IV flow rate by pump. The key to these, they are simple, but the key to these is reading the question, knowing if it's by gravity or by IV pump, and then knowing how to convert your time, minutes and hours. So all of these, like I said, are by pump. Number 1, order is for ANSEF 1 gram IV piggyback to be given 1 hour per infusion pump. What is the ordered pump rate for the 100 ml infusion? All right. This is the formula we're going to use, but first we just have to pick out the things that we need out of this word problem. So when we're talking about pump rate, we know we're using amount, so milliliters over our time. The dosage, like the 1 gram, we don't even need that. That's just a distractor. So we're gonna read our question, and it says it's to be given over 1 hour, and then to what the volume to be infused is 100 mils, okay? So once we pick out those things in our word problem, then we can input them into the formula. So your total volume, total amount over your time. That's all we're gonna use. Every time you're dealing with an IV pump, when you go in the room to set an IV pump, it's always gonna be mils over hours. Always, always, always. So to solve the pump rate, I'm gonna do my total amount. So 100 over 1. Total amount over time in hours. 100 divided by 1, I'm gonna set my IV pump to 100 mils per hour. That's my answer. The next one, number 2, order is for ANSEF 1 gram IV piggyback to be given over 30 minutes. What is the ordered pump rate for 100 ml infusion? All right, remember, this is just a distractor. I don't need this to solve my problem. Pump rate. All right, I'm using an IV pump. So I'm gonna do total amount, so my volume, and I need the time, 30 minutes. All right, so now I picked out what I need in this word problem. Now the next thing I have to do is 30 minutes. What is that in an hour? All right, so if I have my total amount, which is 100, and I have my time in hours, I can't just put 30, because that's in minutes, right? So I would put 0.5. 30 minutes, 0.5 hour in hours. So I would divide 100 divided by 0.5. So I'm gonna set my IV pump at 200 mils per hour. So again, it's deciphering, is this in hours? What's my total volume? And dividing it using this. Number 3, you are to infuse 100 mils over a 4-hour period. What is the rate for the infusion pump? Anytime I'm using an infusion pump, it's total amount over hours, total mils over hours. So I find what I need. There's my total amount. Here's my time. So I'm gonna use this, 100 divided by 4. I'm gonna input that. So it's gonna be 25 mils per hour is what I'm gonna set my rate to. And again, that is figuring out IV flow rate by infusion pump. Always remember it's mils over hour.